Now, one thing a number of things to be aware of when using the FM5 millimeter in its millimeter wave capacity. It has two antennas, one to deal with all the old traditional 2G, 3G, 4G, 4.5G that the industry refers to as 5G. Wi-Fi, smart meters, baby monitors, deck phones, on and on, the traditional stuff. And you use that just like all the other ones you've used before, and it's really easy. At this stage of the game, your FM5, more than likely, when you first get it, you're going to go, I'm not sure if this 10 gigahertz to 24 gigahertz to 32 gigahertz is the millimeter wave antenna, with then obviously 28 gigahertz sitting right in the middle of that. And when you first switch that on, it will have a baseline of about 50 or 60, and that just means there's nothing happening. It's the way we had to set it up to get it to read anything over the higher frequency level. And you might go, well, I don't know what's happening. This doesn't seem to work. It is working. It's just telling you that at that moment in time, there is no 5G millimeter wave in the 24 to 32 gigahertz range in the environment that you're measuring. Now, that could be because they're just, you're fortunate at the moment, there is no antenna near you, or it could be that nobody's using it, because 5G millimeter wave is on demand. So the cell tower that could be sitting right outside your bedroom window might not have an application on the go at the time that you switch on your FM5. And in which case, then you won't get a reading. Well, that's different to what we're used to, because the 2G, 3G, 4Gs, whilst they would fluctuate and intensify and a little bit under use, they were always active and always sending out a signal. And that's not the case with the 5G millimeter wave. So it's also directional, and it's what's known as beamforming. So again, watch the video that Brian Hoyer made. I'll put a link to that in the on the screen of this video, and that'll help you get an idea how to use the FM5 to find out if you've got 5G. And be aware that the chances are most of us at the moment won't have it. In the cities, there'll be a reasonable proportion of homes that may be infected by 5G, but there'll be also, even in the cities, the vast majority won't. I say, we can't make these fast enough anyway, so we're not trying to sell them, but does that mean you should get one or not? Well, yes, because it's coming. And judging by how long it's taken us to get the parts and to make these at a reasonable price, my advice would be, if you can get one, because you don't know whether you'll be able to get one again, and you don't know what price it'll be. But that's my little sales pitch, and it's a sales pitch for something I actually can't supply, but it's the truth. So there we are.